Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can reset your Moto e20. You can go to settings here, you can go to system, then you want to go to advanced, then you want to go to reset option, and you want to erase all factory reset. So when you hit this will erase everything and you will lose everything on the phone. You will want to remove your Gmail before you factory reset. If this is a case where you are locked out of your phone and you can't put in the password, then I am going to show you what you need to do. You can hold the volume down and the power button to restart the phone, or you can shut down the phone by powering off. If it needs the password pattern or pin to do so, you want to hold the volume down and the power until the phone restart. You want to keep holding the volume down and the power. This should take you into the recovery mode. So let's hold the volume down and also power. Sometimes it may take a while, but you want to hold. You want to hold the volume down, and this should take you into the recovery mode. Then guys, you want to use the volume buttons to navigate. You want to come down to wipe data factory reset, then you hit the power button to select. The phone is now formatting, and when it is finished, it will say completed. So we just have to wait for this to do successfully, and as you can see, it says wipe data complete. Then you can reboot the phone now. And this is how you perform the factory data reset, which is a soft reset, and also the hard reset as well. The phone should take a few minutes to come on.
Moto.
Sometimes if it's the first time you are turning it on, after you have factory reset it may take a minute or two before it actually comes on. So you want to ensure before you do this that you have sufficient battery charge. So as you can see, we are done. You are ready to go ahead and set up the phone and use the phone as brand new. I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.